Mastering tables in Google Docs. Step-by-step guide for beginners to create and customize tables in Google Docs. Step 1. Access Google Docs. Open browser. Launch your preferred web browser. Sign in. Log in using your Google account. New document. Click the New button. Step 2. Naming your document. Blank document. A fresh document will appear. Click Title area. Select Untitled document to rename. Enter name. Type a descriptive title. Step 3. Inserting the table. Place cursor. Select location for table. Insert menu. Go to Insert in the menu. Select Table. Choose Table from drop-down. Grid appears. Select desired rows columns. Step for selecting table size. Grid displayed. Hover to select size. Rows and columns. Specify number. Click to insert. Finalize table creation. Step 5. Customizing the table. Adjust size. Alignment. Border style. Step 6. Modifying table structure. Add rows. Delete rows. Add columns. Delete columns. Key takeaways. Google Docs tables. Easy access. Google Docs is readily available.